Good morning, students. Our today's chapter is chapter 30, Money and Unitary Method. Okay, four operations are there. First one, addition. Second, subtraction, multiply, and divide. Okay, you know four operations, but here with the decimal number, we have to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and divide. How can solve it? First sum is rupees 76.35 and rupees 288.25. Okay, so first question 76.35 and rupees 288.25. Okay, so my dear students, first write down this one number rupees 76.35. Okay, then after arrange second number. Okay, we have to do our addition. Okay, so 5, then 2.88, and here write down 2. Here place of 100 is not given, so write down 0. Okay, then after doing addition, 5 plus 5 10, 0 here, 1 carry 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6. Then after here point 6 plus 8 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14. So 4 here, 1 carry 8 plus 1 8 plus 8 16, 6 here, 1 carry 2 plus 1 3. Okay, your answer is 364.60. Okay, then our second sum rupees 66.75 and rupees 143.05. First write down 66.75. Then after arrange second number 5, then 0, put here point, decimal point, then 3, 4. Again here place of 100 is not given, so place of 100 add here 1 0. Okay, 5 plus 5 10, 0 here, 1 carry 7 plus 1 8. Then after point 6 plus 3 6 7 8 and 9. 6 plus 4 10, 0 here, 1 carry 1 plus 1. The answer is 209.80. Okay, then after third one question, your third question is rupees 506.25. Then next one 95.20, and then third number is rupees 9.70. Okay, so first write down first one number 506.25. Okay, then after what we do, second number write down here, arrange second number, then 5 9, here place of 0, place of 100 is not given, so here add 1 zeros. Then third number, in third number 0, then write down here, then 7, put here point, then 9. Here place of 10, place of 100, both are not given, so 2 0 we added here. Okay, then after doing addition, 5, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 7, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11, but here 1 carry. Okay, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 9, 12 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. So 1 here, 2 carry over, 9 plus 2, 10 and 11. 1 here, 1 carry over, 5 plus 1, 6. So the answer is 611.50. Okay. Then next question number 4. Rupees 999.90. Then second one is 500.50 and third one is rupees 7.50. Okay, so same method here. First write down 999.90. Then after write second number 0, 5, 0, 0 and 5. Okay. Then third number here 0, 5, then 7. Okay. Place of tens and place of 100 is not given. So both the place we write down 2 zeros and. Okay. Here 0. Then after 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 9. Yes, 90. 9 here, 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 7, 70. So 7 here, 1 carry over. 9 plus 1, 10. 0 here, 1 carry over. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 5, 50. Okay. So your answer is 1507.90. Okay. Then our next operation. Next operation is subtraction. Okay. So in subtraction, first solving sum is rupees 85.50 minus rupees 35.10. Okay. So first write down here 85.50. Then arrange second number 0, 1, 5 and 2. Okay. Then subtraction 0. 5 out of 1 is possible. Yes, 5 out of 1 is possible. So 4 here. 5 out of 5 is 0 and 8 out of 3 is here. Remaining number is 5. So your answer is 50.40. Then second one, rupees 105.50 minus rupees 85.10. Okay, so first 105.50. Okay, next number 0 here, 1 here, then after point, then 5 here, 8 here. In place of 100 is not given, so write down 1, 0. Here 0, 5 out of 1 is 4, 5 out of 5 is 0. Then after here 10, 10 out of 8 means here 2. Here cancel, so 0. Your answer is 20.40. Okay, then third one, rupees 712.25. Okay, minus rupees 50.75. First write down 712.25. Then after arrange second number 0, 5. Place of 100 is not given, so add 1 zeros. Okay, 5 out of 5, 0. My dear students, here 2 out of 7 is possible. Not possible because of 2 is smaller number and 7 is the bigger number. Then cancel 2 and write here 12. 12 out of 7, remaining number is 5. Then after put here point, here 1. Again 1 out of 5 is possible, not possible. So 11 out of 5, remaining number is 6. Then 7 is cancelled, 6 here and here 6. Your answer is 661.50. Okay, then next fourth one. 456.90 minus rupees 387.50. Okay, so rupees 456.90 minus rupees 0,578 and 0. 9 out of 5 is remaining number 4. 6 out of 7 is possible? Not possible. So here 16 and here 4. 16 out of 7 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So 9. 4 out of 8 again not possible. So 14. 14 out of 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So 6. Then here cancel 4 and write down 3 and 3 out of 3 is 0. Your answer is 69.40. Okay. Then our next operation is multiply. Okay. So how can we do multiplication? You know. First is rupees 45.50 into 4. My dear students, here first removing decimal point. Okay, so 40, 45, 50. Okay, directly you write down 4550 into 4. So 4 zeros are, yes, 0. 4 5s are 20. 0 here, 2 carry over. 4 5s are 20 plus 2, 22. 2 here, 2 carry over. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 2, 17 and 18. Okay, then after cut here 2 decimal point. Your answer is 182.00. You write down also 182. Okay, then our next sum rupees 71. Sorry, your second sum is rupees 36.30 into 23. Okay, 36.30 into 23. Then first remove decimal point 23. What we do here, 2 digits number are there. Okay, so 3 zeros are 0, 3 3s are 9, 6 3s are 18. So 8 here, 1 carry over. 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1, 10. Okay, here 2 digits are there. Then first put here zeros. Then after 2 zeros are 0, 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12. Put here 1 carry over. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7. 0, 9, 8 plus 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. 4 here, 1 carry over. 3 and 8. How many decimal point? 2, 1 and 2. Your answer is 834.90. Okay. Then next, third one. Examples of third one. Okay. 218.87 into 6. So 218, remove point, then after into 6. Okay. So 6 7s are 42. Then here 4 carry over. 6 8s are 48, 49, 50, 51 and 52. 2 here, 5 carry over. Okay, 6 8s are 48, 48 plus 5, 49, 50, 51, 52 and 53. So 3 here, 5 carry over. 6 1s are 6 plus 5, 11. 1 here, 1 carry over. 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 1, 30. 1 and 2, then cut 2 decimal point. Okay, then next fourth one sum. Rupees 88.50 into 21. So 88.50. First remove decimal point into 21. First of all, 1 zeros are 0, 1 5s are 5, 1 8s are 8 and 1 8s are 8. Okay. Then first write down here 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 5s are 10, 0 here, 1 carry over, 2 8s are 16, 16 16 plus 1, 17, 7 here, 1 carry over. 2 8 are 16, 16 plus 1, 17. So 0, 5, 8. 7 plus 7, 14 plus 1, 15. 5 here, 1 carry over. 7 plus 1, 8 and here 1. 1 and 2 decimal point here. Okay. Then next sum is fifth number. Then fifth number sum is rupees 122.50 into 25, and sixth number sum is 456.10 into 30. Okay, so first remove decimal point, then doing multiplication. Here 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25, so 5 here, 2 carry over. 5 2s are 10 plus 12, 2 here, 1 carry over. 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11, 1 here, 1 carry over. 5 is 5 plus 1, 6. Then put here, again 1 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 5s are 10, 0 here, 1 carry over. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Okay, then 0, 5, 2, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 0 here, 1 carry over. 2 plus 1, 3. Here 2 decimal point cut, so 3062.50 is your answer. Okay, then next, first remove decimal point, okay, into 30. 0 zeros are 0, 0 1s are 0, 0 6 are 0, 0 5 are 0, and 0 4s are 0. Okay, then put here 1 zeros, 3 zeros are 0, 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18, so 8 here, 1 carry. 5 is a 15 plus 1, 16, 6 here, 1 carry. 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1, 30. 0, 0, 3, 8, 6, 3 and 1. And how many decimal points are here? 2. So here 2 decimal point. Okay, then our last operation is divide. So first division is first one is 228.20 divided by 7. Okay, first remove decimal point and then inner side 22,822 and outer side 7. Say to 7 table till we get 22, but not possible. So 7 3s are 21. 2 out of 1 is 1, 2 out of 2 0. Then bring down 8. Say 7 table till we get 18, but not possible. 7 2s are 14. Okay, 8 out of 4 is here 4, 1 out of 1 0. Then bring down 2. Say 7 table until we get 42. Yes, 7 6 are 42. 0 0. Bring down 0. Then add 1 0. Here 0 0 0 and 0. Your answer is 3460. Then burn it to cut to decimal point. Your answer is 32.60. Okay, then next sum 630 divided by 9. Okay, 630 divided by 9 very easy. 630 divided by 9. 9 7s are 63. Then here bring down side 0 and upper side also 0. We get answer 17. Then third question is 108.60. So remove decimal point, divide by 6. Say 6 table till we get 10, but not possible. So 6 1s are 6. 10 out of 6 is here 4, here 0. Then bring down here 8. Then say 6 table till we get 48. 6 8 are 48. 0 0. Bring down 6. Then 6 1 are 6. 0. Then bring down 0. Add 1 0. 0 and 0. Then how many decimal point we cut here? 1 and 2. So 2 decimal point cut. So your answer is 18.10. Okay. Then next sum and our last sum is 638.40. So remove decimal point and divide by 28. My dear students, you don't know what is the table of 28. Then what we do? Multiplication. Help of multiplication solving this sum. Okay. 28 twos are how many is that? 28 threes are how many is that? 28 fours are, है ना? 8 twos are 16. So 6 here, 1 10. 2 twos are 4 plus 1 5. 56. Then after 28 threes are 8 threes are 24. So 4 here, 2 carry on. 3 twos are 6, 7 and 8. 84. Okay. So say 28 table till we get 63. But here 28 twos are 56 and 28 threes are 84. This one is the bigger number. So 28 twos are 56. So here 13 out of 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. 7. Then here 5. 5 out of 5, 0. Then bring down 8 here. Again 22 is 56 and 3 is 84. But we need here smaller than 78. That's why again 28 are 56. 8 out of 6 is here 2. 7 out of 5 is equals to 2. Then bring down here 4. Then again 28 4s are 8 4s are 32. 2 here 3 carry on. 4 2s are 8. 9 10 and 11 112. 28 5s are 8 5s are 40. 0 here 4 carry on. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4 14. 28 6s are 6 8s are 48. 8 here 4 carry on. 6 2s are 12. 13, 14, 15 and 16. Okay, 168. Then again 28 sevens are 7 8s are 56. So 6 here 5 here. 7 2s are 14. 50, 60, 70, 18 and 19. Okay, 196. Then after 28 8s are 8 8s are 64. 4 here 6 carry over. 8 2s are 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. Okay, then directly 28 8s are 124. Okay, then bring down side 0. Write down here 0. Then again 0. Your answer is comes out 2280. How many point cut here? 2. So 22.80. My dear students, here our 4 operation is over and your exercise 13.1 is over. Thank you very much.